this is how to solve this integration question. So first of all, we need to study the question. It's an indefinite integral, and we can benefit from rewriting it so that we have a power instead of the root. So now all that's left to do is to look at what's on the inside of the bracket and what's on the outside of the bracket. If we can make the outside the direct derivative of what is inside the bracket, that will enable us to integrate this properly. So the derivative of what's inside the bracket would be 2x. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 2, but I can't just do that without multiplying by half, because half multiplied by 2 would be 1. So technically, I'm not changing the question. If I just write the 2 in front of the x, I'll be changing the question. So we have to combat that by multiplying by the reciprocal of whatever number I'm adding there. So the reciprocal of 2 would be half, so that's what I'm doing there. So now, since this is the direct derivative of what is inside the bracket, I can ignore this. And I can go ahead and integrate this bracket as normal. So let's go ahead and do that. I write what's in the bracket exactly as it is. I add 1 to the power, and I divide by the new power. And I add c, since this is an indefinite integral. And so the bottom of the bottom, so the denominator of the denominator, will actually go to the top. That's the rule. So that would be 2 squared plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 all over 3 plus c. That cancels with that, and so we get a third x squared plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. We always have to mirror the form of the question. They've given us in root form, and so that's what we are going to do as well. So that would be square root x squared plus 1 all cubed all over 3 plus c. That is your answer. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos, because more are coming up.